or hindi sila kumpante sa second or third shot. But, the medical experts, meron yung pangdagdag sa antibodies mo. If you really want a multiple vaccine, have yourself check yung ang population ng antibodies mo. Kaya kung meron, huwag mong sobrahan kasi masama. It is not good. Yung iba kasi nagpapaano sigurista. But any doctor would tell you that it is bad. Bad as bad. Biro mo, i-inject mo yung maraming nako. They are viruses na pinapasok sa katawan mo. Baskin ba sabihin mo na yung iba patay. Pagdating niyan doon sa katawan mo, mag-resurrection yan. So you have a problem again. Yung pangalawa pa, check out the vaccinations that are being done daily. At baka magsali ka na doon sa second shot mo para kumpleto na. Tama na yung 2 doses. Huwag ninyong sobrahan. Delikado. At alam mo, when you do that in multiple, hindi ka magsabi ng totoo, you deprive your countrymen, the others na hindi pa, sa isang bakuna na maibigay doon sa kapwa mo tao. Ganon yan Pag masyado kayo, mayroong iba, may second, third, fourth, fifth, hindi naman kailangan. And it does not add really to the full protection of your body. You can even get contaminated again. So, wag mong kunin lahat o yung style na sa Bisaya yan, ano bang sa dinaw, ano bang dinaw sa Tagalog? Gusto mong, basta lang akala mo, in your poor judgment, kailangan mo pa ng 3-4, you do that. You deprive the others. Maski nasabihin mo 1, 2. There are a lot of Filipinos who have yet to receive the vaccines. Kindly be, how do I do that? Kindly be so passionate about the whole thing. Kapwa mo tao.